In this video I will discuss about 6 popular exercises you should replace for better muscle growth. Pro fitness advice. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, where we're diving into fitness tips today. Specifically, we'll be talking about 6 popular exercises you should consider replacing for better muscle growth. So, let's get started. First up, we have bodyweight squats. While they're great for beginners and mobility work, they might not be the best choice for those looking to build serious muscle mass. So let's switch to a weighted version, like a goblet squat or a barbell back squat. Next on our list is the stability ball push-up. While it offers a fun and different push-up variation, your best bet for building chest and triceps is still the good old push-up on the ground. It's a basic movement with endless variations, so definitely focus on that instead. Now, let's talk about triceps extensions behind the head. There are plenty of safer and more effective alternatives out there, like cable or dumbbell triceps extensions. So let's avoid those risky moves and stick to safer options. Moving on to chest flies using dumbbells or a cable machine. While they might feel good at first, there are better choices for targeting pecs without putting your shoulders at risk of injury. Like cable or dumbbell, chest flies don't provide much benefit compared to other exercises. Instead, opt for flat bench presses or incline bench presses if you want to develop your chest muscles safely and effectively. Now, for seated overhead presses using dumbbells or barbells with an easy bar, which can put extra strain on your shoulders due to the angle of rotation from your hips. Instead, consider standing overhead presses using regular weights with straight bars, as they place less stress on your shoulders while still providing an effective workout for your delts and traps. Lastly, let's discuss deadlifts with fat bars at home, using dumbbells instead of a barbell or plates during deadlifts around